I already got a couple of these things off. This pops off. Just pull it off real gently. This thing's kind of beat up. Some of the things come off on this one, and this piece right here, that's where you got a screw here, a screw. This is a Torx, and this looks like number 3 Phillips. This, you just pop it off, and then this comes out here.
Okay, with this now?
The soft close feature. I'm replacing, it's the whole latch assembly on these. It's a vacuum operated and pressure operated.
Yeah.
This is busted too. So you have to basically replace the whole latch. And I don't remember if I diagnosed this or not. I have to look. But I think he's got those too. Where's he got all the parts? Are they in the trunk?
Yeah, everything's in the
Well, I
trunk.
can't even get in the trunk until he gets me.
There's no other way to open the trunk?
Not
The
on.
back seats are not?
No, it's
There's no safety feature? Talk about the perfect kidnapping car.
yeah. Well, on the inside probably, but I don't know. I know the S500 had a key slot. This one doesn't have a key slot. So if you need to like jump this car, there's no jump port under there. So you have to, under this tow board here, you have to take this out, move the tow board, and there's a spot there you can charge the battery from. That's stupid. This is a Phillips in here. I'm not too sure how much can even be seen here. This is a Phillips. The air suspension's completely aired out on this right now. So this thing's all the way down to the ground. So I'm kind of really struggling a little. Okay. I'm not sure if there's something else holding this up here. Yeah. This right here comes off. Here it comes off. Right, this thing's falling apart on me, man. This thing is beat up. So then you have another Torx right here, right? And then you have another Phillips. This is a T3 Phillips right here. I don't know if you probably can't see it. It's right there. I think I diagnosed this a couple years ago as being bad too. I'm not sure. I hope he's got the other one in there. I can swap it over real fast. This also has, I don't know if this connector is supposed to go to anything. I'm sure you can see my big head in the way. I wonder what this is. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not causing a problem by hooking that back up. Maybe there was a parasitic troll or something at one point. Who knows? But take that guy out. Number 3. Whoa. Number 3 screw. Phillips. That connector was disconnected. I don't even know what it's for. Okay, so that's loose. Fish that through. Can I fish it through? I believe that I can. Pull it up. It's a little rough. That's really all there is to it. Okay, so I got some wires here. Okay. disconnect from here. This is my latch over there. Now I'm kind of stuck here because he doesn't have the keys here, so he's got to get his wife to bring the keys. The replacement parts are in the trunk. I guess I can pull the rest of this off and get the assembly out. Hopefully this doesn't blow up in my face, if it even works. And just try to work this off as best I can without tearing it any worse than it's already torn. And it's really cold today, so I don't know how well this butyl tape is gonna stick again. I guess I could possibly heat it up with my heat gun. I don't know. Not really worried about that right now. This one's coming apart way nicer than the other one did. Maybe if I do this, keep it out of my way. I think I drilled all this stuff out. It's going to require new rivets for because it's all riveted together. The piece I need to get is inside here. There's a screw that goes this way. Through this, there is a body plug right on the side here, and there's a Torx. You have to come in at an angle here. It's on the opposite side of the weather stripping. The weather stripping's here, and then on the back side, that's where this guy is. And this is a, what is this, T20? T20, and I believe the bolt, the Torx bolt stays in there, Torx screw. That's the, there's like a little sensor on there. I forget what that does. Door handle, you kind of have to pull it this way, kind of just fish it out of the thing. This I'm going to just take off for now to give me a little more room. Room is probably the wrong word for it, but give me a little more movement. And this, I guess, just unscrews. This, hopefully he's got another one of these because it's all beat up. Okay. So the latch, I do believe I gotta take this window track. It's riveted in, so I have to drill it out and move it out of the way so I can get the whole assembly out. And disconnect the airbag. I just wish I had everything so I could match it up, look at everything. Because I don't remember if I have to take this module out or not. And two Torx here and a Torx here. I don't know exactly what that's for. It looks like it goes to part of the assembly. And this yellow is your vacuum lines. Vacuum pressure lines, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, that's T30. T30. Yep, T30s. D-Tech. The other one that I took it was a donor car that I took this assembly out, I don't know, 4 months ago or something. It was nice out when I did that. That one, I didn't have to put too much care into taking it apart because it was going to the junkyard. So I kind of just like blasted all this stuff off just to get it out of the way, try to get it out as quick as possible. And some of this stuff got busted along the way. Not this. I still have this. That's still good. There's a Torx on the other side. Gotta take this gasket off, and there's a Torx. We don't have to take the Torx all the way out, so it will slide. Just gotta drill these out. It's just 3. That's that one. And that's that one. So that. Down, I'm free, but I still think this might have to come out. That's that one. Actually, I might be able to just do one. Hopefully this is enough. Come on. I figured out how to disconnect my airline. This actuator wiring goes all the way up there. I don't know. Nah, just this one. Just the one that's leaking. Yeah. I think it's this that's leaking. You can hear it. Well, you can't hear it now, but it leaks real bad. And what happens is the system will time out. If it keeps trying, yeah, it'll eventually time out. And then put that in there. When it times out, it disables the whole system. Yeah. So then the door locks don't work anymore with the button, yeah, and like the soft close feature doesn't work, and the trunk won't work because the trunk releases and shuts and pulls down from.
That's some bullshit.
Yeah. That's that. Okay. So here's the deal. Okay, I had to jump it. Battery was dead as usual. It's one king curse. And then pop the trunk, and there's no parts in here.